The 2020 Pro Chef of the Year competition was recently held at the Emirates Academy of Hospitality Management. 4 incredible chefs from restaurants in the UAE battled it out to win this year's title, Pro Chef of the Year. All 4 finalists were given a mystery box of ingredients and were tasked with creating an appetizer, main, and dessert in 3 hours. In addition, chefs were given access to a pantry full of ingredients which they used as desired. The competition was a blind tasting judged by an esteemed panel. To ensure fairness, judges sat in a separate room from the chefs and were served each dish by a moderator.
Okay, so the guys have got a great selection of ingredients from our sponsors, Board Beer. Plenty to play with some lovely flavours I'm sure they're going to come up with. So really looking forward to it this year.
The chefs have world-class products from Ireland. It's a mystery box full of great proteins and dairy, and I'm excited to see what they produce.
Well, what we're expecting from the chefs is great flavours, a great plate of food, and timing on time.
Tricks, secrets, I think, for us, technique and knowledge that we already have, that's the key.
Other competitions are very good because they are very tough, that's why they are here in the final.
I feel lucky and feel very important to be part of this team to be in the final for the Pro Chef 2020.
I feel incredible that I'm actually here because there's so many talented chefs throughout Dubai, so to be here is an absolute privilege and honour.
There was some really outstanding dishes, and in some where I think the guys were a little bit caught out, like they've already mentioned, with the timing. So that was a little bit of a challenge for them today. But they had some lovely produce, and we have indeed got some beautiful dishes here.
With these dishes, some were unique, some were a bit hit and miss, but some stood out and they were fantastic. Yeah.
We've had an incredible morning. The skill set of the chefs was really impressive. We had some interesting flavour combinations, but the quality of the ingredients shone through.
After much deliberation, James Knight Pacheco was crowned Pro Chef of the Year. We hope to see you at the Pro Chef Middle East Award ceremony next year.